The year 2025 marks the beginning of a new phase in the technological revolution, characterized by the convergence of some of the most advanced innovations of the last decade. Artificial intelligence, quantum computing, supercomputing, robotics, and the digitalization of the physical world are no longer separate compartments, but are intertwining into an integrated ecosystem that is radically transforming key sectors such as healthcare, security, communications, and even space exploration. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly evolving from an advanced analysis tool to an entity capable of making autonomous decisions. Generative AI models, which have dominated the technological landscape in recent years, are becoming increasingly sophisticated, integrating real-time reasoning and adaptation capabilities. In 2025, AI applications will be present in every aspect of our daily lives, from self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, and even increasingly personalized and contextualized virtual assistants. Advanced neural networks will enable digital assistants to understand emotions, anticipate needs, and provide extremely precise responses, making their interaction with humans almost indistinguishable from that of a real-life conversation partner. In the space sector, AI is already being used to analyze large amounts of data from space telescopes and autonomously monitor interplanetary missions. With the increasing complexity of missions to Mars and beyond, AI's role will become even more crucial in navigation, spacecraft automation, and even decision-making directly by probes without the need for immediate human intervention. Through machine learning, these probes will be able to adapt to unforeseen conditions, improving the efficiency and safety of interplanetary explorations. A concrete example is the use of AI in NASA's Artemis mission, where algorithms are helping to plan landing routes and optimize the use of available resources for future lunar bases. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also integrating AI into their systems to enhance flight efficiency and ground operations management. Moreover, thanks to the combination of AI with advanced robotics, lunar and Martian rovers will be able to operate with greater autonomy, performing complex tasks without having to wait for instructions from Earth. Quantum computing represents one of the most revolutionary frontiers of modern technology. Leading tech companies, including Google, IBM, and Microsoft, are working to build increasingly powerful quantum computers capable of solving problems that traditional supercomputers would take thousands of years to tackle. This technology not only accelerates computations, but also opens new possibilities in cryptography, scientific simulations, and the optimization of complex systems. In 2025, a surge in the practical application of quantum computing is expected, particularly in fields such as cryptography, advanced material simulation, and drug discovery. In the space sector, quantum computers could be used to optimize interplanetary vehicle trajectories, improve the encryption of satellite communications, and even simulate the extreme environments of distant planets to prepare for future human missions. This advanced simulation capability will allow for the development of safer and more efficient strategies for space colonization. The use of quantum computing could also revolutionize the energy sector, improving the efficiency of space-based solar cells and developing new materials for constructing extraterrestrial habitats resistant to cosmic radiation. Additionally, quantum simulations could be applied to develop new types of space propulsion, making interstellar travel, once deemed impossible, a reality. With the exponential increase in computing power, supercomputing is revolutionizing the way we simulate complex phenomena. From ultra-precise weather forecasting to modeling the behavior of galaxies, supercomputers enable scientists to explore scenarios that would be impossible to test in a laboratory. These advanced models help us better understand phenomena such as climate change and cosmic evolution. In the aerospace sector, supercomputers are used to simulate the behavior of materials under extreme conditions, design new rocket engines, and accurately calculate landing conditions on extraterrestrial surfaces. Thanks to integration with artificial intelligence, these simulations are becoming increasingly accurate, allowing for the prediction of unforeseen events before they occur, enhancing the reliability of space missions and reducing the margin of error. Robotics has become an integral part of our society, and in 2025 we will witness further advancements in human-machine interaction. Increasingly autonomous and sophisticated robots will be employed in critical sectors, from surgery to industrial production, and even in managing extreme environments, such as the ocean floor or deep space. In space missions, humanoid robots and mechanical assistants will be essential for the success of future Mars and Moon colonization efforts. NASA and ESA are already testing robotic systems capable of constructing infrastructure on other planets before astronauts arrive, reducing risks to human life and making long-term missions more sustainable. Additionally, the combination of artificial intelligence and robotics will enable machines to learn and adapt to unforeseen situations, improving their operational efficiency. With the expansion of the Internet of Things, IoT, and the growing interconnection between devices, cybersecurity is becoming an absolute priority. In 2025, the number of connected devices will be in the tens of billions, creating a global network that will necessitate the development of new solutions for data protection. Cybersecurity will have to evolve rapidly to counter increasingly sophisticated threats and ensure the protection of digital infrastructures. The year 2025 marks the beginning of a phase in which technologies will no longer operate separately, but will converge into a single interconnected ecosystem. Artificial intelligence, quantum computing, supercomputing, robotics, and cybernetics will work together to transform our world, from Earth to deep space. The technological revolution we are experiencing will open doors to scenarios that, until a few years ago, seemed like science fiction. The question is no longer whether these technologies will transform our society, but when their impact will become irreversible. And 2025 might just be the year when it all begins. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.